There are millions of channels that exist today who are getting millions of views without even showing their face. And if you've clicked on this video, I'm pretty sure that you're one of those people who are interested in creating a YouTube channel, but you don't feel comfortable showing your face on camera, and that is totally fine. If you're one of those people, this video is going to be very helpful because I will be sharing my top 10 channel ideas where you don't have to show your face, but you can also be one of those people who are getting these millions of views and no one would ever know that it's you behind the camera who's creating these great, awesome videos. So let's dive in, but I want to mention that the last idea in this video is going to be my favorite. So if I had to ever create a faceless YouTube channel, that is what I would be creating my channel about. The first idea is interesting facts. Have you ever wondered why flamingos are pink or how fast a bee's wings flap? You can start a channel with all of these examples without showing your face. Brightside YouTube channel is a very good example of that, who are always coming up with thousands of these great ideas and they just never run out of ideas and also never run out of views because this channel is getting a lot of views. People are very curious about these facts. I personally follow these channels and I watch these videos as well. The next type of channel is quizzes and games. You can create your own game show on YouTube. Make fun quizzes and challenge videos on different topics that you actually love. Quiz Kingdom is a channel that is a very good example and they're getting a lot of views. So watch that channel as an inspiration, get some ideas and then create your own channel. I think that can help you get started very quickly and become famous on YouTube very quickly as well. Next is magic tricks and illusions. So you don't have to show your face for magic tricks. There are a lot of channels, famous channels that exist today on YouTube who are doing magic tricks because you don't just have to show your hands, right? You don't have to show your face. If you know any magic tricks or even you can learn magic tricks, there are a lot of channels available on YouTube itself where people would show you a magic trick and they'll also show you how to do that, how to perform that magic trick. Learn and do some practice, get perfected in that magic trick, and then when you create that YouTube channel, these type of channels get a lot of views because people are curious to watch how it's done. So this type of channel can get you good views, good number of views. You can also create videos about travel guides. So if you want to show places to people, you don't have to always visit places. You can sit at home on a chair like this and create videos where you're showing people the world. Now you might be thinking, how is it even possible that I'm sitting at home? How can I show the world to people? There are multiple platforms available who can provide you stock footage, stock videos. Download that stock video. If you, let's say, search for Pakistan, there's a platform called Enviro Elements. It's a very cheap subscription, low cost subscription that you can purchase. Search for Pakistan and you would get tons and tons of videos related to Pakistan. So if you want to create a story about Lahore, Pakistan, you would find a lot of videos related to Lahore, Pakistan. Same goes for Mumbai, India or New Delhi, India. You can download this stock footage for free. I mean, obviously after paying for the subscription, one-time subscription fee. Download these videos and then put them in your footage. Make a good video, share it with people. People are very curious about these places. If someone wants to visit, let's say Lahore or New Delhi or Mumbai, they would want to watch that video. You can monetize such channels as well. Another interesting type of channel can be book summaries. So if you're someone who loves reading, if you read a lot of books, I think you can utilize that to your advantage. Talk about books in your videos because nowadays people don't have enough time to read books. But if you can in the foreground play some animated footage or maybe stock footage and then give a summary of that book that you read, people would be interested in knowing about that book and they would watch your videos. You can get a lot of views like that. Escaping Ordinary is a channel. I was actually watching it the other day. They got 14 million views with a summary of Atomic Habits by James Clear. So, you know, that is the power of this. So you can definitely utilize this idea. Next type of channel is science experiments. So you don't have to show your face, just place a camera on a tripod and do some science experiments and then show them to viewers. So when you're preparing for that or initially when you create that video, YouTube is all about audience retention. So let's say you are about to perform a science experiment. This is going to create curiosity in the viewer's mind that what is actually going to happen. So if you can come up with great ideas and do some science experiments, record them on a camera and then create a video and share it with people, without even showing your face, you can get tons of views and you can become famous very quickly. Next is DIY crafts. So do it yourself crafts. If you know how to make stuff. I remember when we were kids, we used to make paper planes in the classroom. So if you can make such things and then share on YouTube, people would be very interested to watch these videos. One example of that is Cutie Burry's channel. Check out that channel for some inspiration on how to be good at DIY crafts. Obviously, don't copy them, come up with your own ideas and be unique, but check them out for inspiration. Next is finance and investing tips. I'm not good with finance, so I wouldn't be creating such a channel, but if you are good, if you have that background, if you know a lot about finance, stocks, etc., create a channel related to this. People are very interested to know what's happening in the market. There are people who are investing in stocks. There are people who are planning on investing in stocks. So if you're good with finance, if you can talk about it, if you can give financial advice to people on where to invest their money, and if you can create multiple videos, you would create your reputation and people would start trusting you and they would start following your channel. This type of channel can get you more subscribers and a genuine fan base because people would want to come back and follow you for your ideas and advices that you give to them, and that benefits them because you're providing a lot of value through these type of videos that you're creating. The next type of channel is scary stories or crime time. These type of channels tend to get a lot of views as well. Why? Because people are interested in these stories. We've all heard such stories when we were kids from our parents or our friends. So if you can talk about these stories, hey, there was this old lady living in a jungle, you know, those type of stories. Download footage to play in the foreground, where in the background it's your voice and you're going through a story. People would be very interested in watching such videos, and these type of videos get a lot of views today as well. One good example is IMR Scary Tales. That is a good channel that's getting a lot of views, so check out that channel as well. Now the last type of channel, as I said in the beginning, if I was to create a faceless YouTube channel, I might be creating this channel, and that is satisfying cleaning. We all do cleaning in our homes, but do you know, if you create a video while cleaning, let's say if this is a table in front of me, and if I would create a video of cleaning this table, so I'll first in the beginning show this table as a dirty table, and then I would clean this table, people would actually stick to your video and they'll watch till the end because they would want to see, one, they're getting satisfaction when you're cleaning. So psychologically, humans are made up like that. They like stories, right? So it's a story. A dirty table, you cleaning it, they're getting satisfaction. They would want to watch till the end to see how the table looks after it is cleaned. A before look and an after look. So these were my top 10 ideas. I think if you create videos related to these particular topics, you don't have to show your face, but you can still be successful on YouTube. Obviously, what matters is that the content should be unique and it should be good. So work hard on these videos and stay consistent on these channels. Don't create a channel, upload 2 videos and forget about it. You wouldn't get views in the very beginning. It'll take you some time. But once you've uploaded, let's say 100, 200 videos, you would start seeing that growth. If you watched this video till this point, thank you so much. First of all, subscribe to my channel. That would help me a lot. I will catch you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.